Okay, this exercise use for loop and randrange, and then conditional expression to simulate 20 coin flips. So we may need to use import random, and then we can use for. Let's say I in range 20 times. Then let's say flip 20 flips. I will just say flip. Okay, we use random range, so it will be 2. Then if flip equal to 0, then I will say print head with 1 space. Else print tail. Okay, so seems like that's it. 20 and then length 0 and 1. Then if it's 0, we assume that's the head. If it's not 0, we are saying that's the 1, which is tail. Okay, so let's see. So it seems like there are more head, then there are also tails. Okay, this time it seems like there are more tails than head. So that's how you can answer this exercise. That's all. Thank you.